back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets, and today we are going to talk and discuss about a very interesting variant that is HP's amazing version, which is Falcon G7 out here. A very interesting variant. If we talk about HP series, then HP is really an amazing version, and we can say that it offers a great range of products, great variety of products. This is really amazing to know that. And now talking about this variant, now talking about HP's version out here. G7 की बात करें, if we talk about this version out there, then this was mainly designed for the home use purpose, like for the students or house working purpose, or not a major operating out there. मतलब इतने बड़े operations के लिए नहीं, like not for the corporate world, which needs a heavy access out there. No, or for a very business world out there. No, not for that. A normal home is usage could be done out in this variant. So this was the thing why this variant was developed out, why this version was in the market. And after that, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then we can say that it offers you Windows operating system home edition premium, which is 64 bytes edition. So this edition could be seen now, which is Windows operating system. And specifically, if we talk about Windows operating system, then it offers you Windows operating system that is Windows 7 operating system. That is Home Premium Edition, specially. Not just the Home Edition, Home Premium 64 bytes edition. Now, what does this operating system is all about? Can this offer you amazing notebook type? Yes, it offers you LG display along with desktop replacement. What is this desktop replacement? That is that it can be used instead of the PC or the desktop we use. Yes, that is what it is actually designed for, desktop replacement. Actually, that was the main reason why it was designed. Because at home, all the students, housewives, or at home, we all have a desktop which we don't carry it out along with the corporate world or anywhere else. So this was a cool replacement out there. Now talking about the replacement and everything out there, it offers you a great processing system. It offers you Intel Core i3 processor out here, which is of second generation. Yes, it offers you Intel Core i3 second generation process out there. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then it offers you a clock speed, which is mandatory out for every gadget. It offers you a clock speed of 2.3 gigahertz. That's really amazing. And 2.3 gigahertz is definitely a wonderful speed, or you can say a wonderful clock speed out there. Along with that, it offers you a dual core processor out there. Dual core system could be seen out along with a cache memory, as well as it offers you a mobile Intel Express chip system of HM65. So this could be seen out in this variant, that mobile Intel Express chip system is being offered in this kind of a variant with Intel Core i3 out there. And that to HM65 chip system, that is really amazing and a wonderful thing about HP, that it always tries to experiment out there. Along with that, it offers you hyper-threading technology along with Intel Smart Cache out there. What is Intel Cache Smart out there? Intel Smart Cache is nothing else but a cache memory smart technology out there. Offering you a good cache memory is a plus point. Yes, offering good cache memory is definitely a plus point. And it offers you a cache memory, or the installed cache memory, of 3 MB. So this could be said that it offers you a great cache memory. Now, when we talk overall about this variant, then we can say that it is definitely one of the most used and most popular household name when it comes to HP out there. Most of the gadgets in HP have been used in their proper sectors, but this was a household name out there. Offering you a good cache memory of approximately 3 MB does not mean that it offers you a low RAM quality. It offers you a great RAM out here, which is about 6 GB RAM. Yes, 6 GB installed RAM out there. You get to have 6 GB installed RAM out there. Along with that, it offers you a memory speed of 1333 megahertz. Yes, it offers you 1333 megahertz memory speed. Along with that, that, if you talk about the configuration it uses 4 GB plus 2 GB configuration. That is the way how the 6 GB storage is there. It is not like entire 6 GB is being used. It is like 4 GB plus 2 GB being used out, or the configuration it has to use. Along with that, if you talk about the RAM type, because RAM type plays an important role, what kind of RAM type it is, or what RAM is being used. It uses DDR3 RAM type. Yes, it uses DDR3 RAM type, which is definitely an amazing version. Along with that, you get to see that the rated speed is good, the RAM storage is good, cache storage type is, everything is definitely amazing. Along with that, if you talk about the hard drive, because hard drive also plays an important role, because not just RAM gives the storage, hard drive also provides you the storage out here. And talking about the hard drive storage, it offers you approximately 640 GB hard drive storage. Yes, 640 GB hard drive storage is there. This is the capacity offered in this variant. So talking about this variant, now talking about this version, we can say that it offers you HDD type storage. मतलब किस type का hard drive storage? Because we know RAM is of DDR3. What kind of hard drive storage is there? It offers you HDD type storage. Along with that, it also offers you a great spindle speed. Yes, it offers you a great spindle speed of 6400 rpm. Yes, 6400 rpm is the spindle speed offered out. That's a super amazing thing at the spindle speed, because it helps us to know the outcome. It helps us to know what kind of processing outcome could be seen. It helps us to know what kind of a variation could be seen out here. As well as this gives the output or the major output out there. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this version, then we can say that this variant is a super amazing variant, because it offers you not just a good spindle speed or the hard drive storage, but also gives you an expandable RAM storage. It provides you two slots out there. Yes, there is a dedicated slot, two slots out there. Along with that, it offers you a maximum support size of 8 GB. It offers you 8 GB maximum support size, in which only four, you can say, in that you can have a very limited storage out there. Apart from that, this also has the same speed out there, that is the rated memory speed, 1333 megahertz, along with DDR3 type technology. So this can be seen in this variant also. But what is the main point out there, that it offers good operating, great memory, great RAM, everything is super amazing out there, but the display out there plays an important role. What kind of display is being used out here? It uses LED backlight display. Yes, this uses LED backlight display out here with a great resolution, that is HD plus resolution. It is offering you HD plus resolution, that is 1600 into 900. Resolution might vary, but it offers you a resolution of HD plus. Along with that, it has an image aspect ratio, which is 16:9. Along with that, it also have a monitor feature. That is, monitor featuring is an important part, because it might be anti-glance, it might be bright view, it might be full HD, it might be ultra HD, like these kind of things could be seen. But it offers you HD plus bright view. This is the monitor featuring out there. The monitor offers you a bright view with HD plus technology. So overall, if you say about the screen, then, or the display, we can say it offers you LED backlight, HD plus bright view display out there. So this is the display out there which is seen in this variant, along with a screen size of 43.9 centimeters. This is super amazing that the screen size is 43.9 centimeters. A wide range of system can be used in this. And the screen size is really great. The screen size is definitely amazing, because this screen size helps us to know that it is a wide screen. The functionality is great out there. You can have all the things which you need to use while you are at home, whether it's multimedia, your gaming systems out there, or your work output, everything could be used very well in this. As well, the screen size is super amazing, so it does not harm or collaborate out in a very small size. And talking about the screen size, we also know that multimedia has a very important role because multimedia is all connected with the graphical parts, webcam, audio input output technology. Talking about the multimedia part, it offers you a graphic processor of Intel HD Graphics 3000. Yes, offering you Intel HD Graphics 3000 out here. It is very interesting to know that it still offers you dynamic video memory technology. Yes, it offers you not just a normal Intel HD Graphics 3000, but along with it comes dynamic video memory technology. We have seen that HP supports, or we can say it has evolved over the period of time, but this still offers you dynamic video memory, a simple dynamic video memory that is not in 150 parts out there. Dynamic video memory is seen in this variant. And you also get to see that there is a graphical memory storage because graphical part also has storage out there. So it offers you 1696 MB storage. That is the total available memory on the graphical part. Now talking about this graphical part, 1696 MB is seen out here. What is this? This is the graphical stored part out there, which is definitely great and a good amount of storage out there. Offering you a webcam, integrated webcam, it helps us to know that yes, it can be used for video call purpose, recording purpose. All the things could be done in this. Apart from that, the sound quality is also amazing because it offers you microphone and alter-lacing speaker out there. So these kind of speakers are very rare to see that alter-lacing speakers could be seen in this variant. Along with that, you get to see a different variant or you get to see a different version, a good sound quality and a great microphones out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, we cannot neglect out the keypad. This keypad has got a touchpad, which is very common out here. All the necessary buttons out there, all the necessary keys out there in a very properly arranged manner. We can say a proper arranged sequence out there. Talking about this gadget, talking about this variant, let us talk about the optical drive also. Talking about the optical drive technology, it offers you DVD read and write plus DVD RAM out there, as well as it offers you a great connectivity because it has integrated camera. So connectivity is necessary. Offers you Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, connections to the other equipments like microphones, earphones, or audio input output jack, power jack, USB connectors, card readers out there, uh, pen drives, memory card out there, SD card readers, everything could be seen out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then it is offering you a multimedia card along with it with a great battery life. Yes, it offers you a great battery life, which is of 6 cell battery life. Now, what does this great battery life mean? Like for home purposes, these kind of technologies could be seen, and you still have 5 to 6 hours run time. Yes, it offers you 5 to 6 hours running time, or we can say 5 to 6 hour work time out there. So definitely that's a wonderful thing. Along with that, if you talk about the capacity, then it offers you 47 volts capacity in the cell. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, we can say that it offers you some inbuilt apps out there. Yes, it offers you inbuilt apps, which is definitely an amazing and a necessary part out there. Because Bluetooth integrity, talk about the internal systems, it offers you Microsoft inbuilt apps. Or we not just the apps, or we can say Microsoft inbuilt documents out there, like the image processing out there, images, preloaded images are there. You get to see few Microsoft Offices out there, so these can be seen in this variant. Apart from that, it also has got some definitely amazing things in it, that is the home edition of Windows, as well as it has got a good operating out there. Everything is definitely working well with the home based operations. That's why it is a household name for most of the gadgets and most of the people out there. Now, talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing also. And talking about the pricing, let us visit the site. The site name is justatclick.com. Yes, the site name is justatclick.com, where you get to see your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates, as well as you get to customize them accordingly. You can customize your gadgets accordingly so that it does not is much expensive, or you can say it is actually according to your needs. Now, talking about this search, I can help you to search your favorite gadget out there in a very limited manner. And we are talking about G7, so let us talk about this version. So this is the result out here of our HP's result. It comes with a bag free, and you also get to see that it offers you small description at the top, and in the condition it is written that this product is in refurbished condition, and a small processing in, or we can say a small description at the bottom. So now let us talk about this variant, and let us talk about the refurbished condition, so that we know what is refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products, as we know that refurbished word, this word itself means creating something new, like, yes, this word means creating something new, like, or from the old things or the distorted things we can create something absolutely new, like brand new, like as it was earlier. Now, what does this refurbished and brand new product majorly differs out, or we can say, does there is any difference in the structurality, functionalities out there? No, there is no difference in the structurality out here. There is no difference in the functionality. Everything remains constant out here. You will find that the structure, the design, everything is same. Whereas if you talk about the functionality difference, there is no difference in the functionality. They offer you the same function as they offered when they were brand new. And in fact, they are quite good that they have been repolished out, they are polished again, and they are created newly, like. So this is what all refurbished is about. Now, there is a major difference that refurbished and brand new products offers out. There is a major difference, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? Pre-ownization is nothing else but a gadget being pre-owned, which has been once used. This is what there is a major difference out there lies. Now, when we talk about brand new products, they are directly from the company into the market. So there has to be no doubt that it can be pre-owned or has been used once. No, there is no as such thing involved in this. But when we talk about refurbished products, then there is something related to this. Refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets which are resold by the original users. Yes, they are being resold out so that it can be reused or another person can use it. That is what a product is called refurbished. This refurbished does not mean that it is not being tested or it can be damaged out. It is not like that. It is something related to the testimoniality. Now, talking about the testimoniality, let us first talk about the passage, how it is taken out in the market. Talking about the passage, there comes the base, mediator, and the consumer. Base is nothing else but the person or the company which owns that gadget first. Every brand new product is owned by the company itself, as we already know. That company owns that gadget. Now the company wants to bring that gadget into the marketplace, that is the mediator, and wants to sell it to the users. Then it has to be brought in the marketplace. Now this marketplace is nothing else but the sites, online, offline sites, everywhere where you get to purchase or have your gadgets from. Now when you have your gadgets, when you take your gadgets, then it is sold off to the users by the market owners. Now this is what happens out in the market. This is for the brand new product. Now what happens in the refurbished product? You have your gadget, you have used that gadget. Now you want to not use it and you want to resell it. Now what you will do? Then it is being resold to the marketplace. Now this user in the brand new becomes the companion or the base, or you can say the pre-owner of that gadget. Yes, this becomes the owner of that gadget. Now what happens? This wants to resell, then it is brought in the marketplace. That has to be tested and verified. Everything has to be done. Now it is being resold to the users. That is the new user out here that is being resold. Now when we talk about this marketplace, testimoniality, pre-ownization, what is the major difference out here? The major difference lies in the test place. Yes, the major difference lies in the test place out here. How? Companies before launching any gadget in the market has to test every particular gadget out there, every single test. Then it is brought into the market out there. Whereas in marketplace, what happens, that gadget is being pre-owned. When it is brought in the market for reselling, that has to be tested at that time before launching it into that particular site. Now this lies the difference out here, another difference out there. Companies, the original brand new products are tested out on various sites out there. There are particular sites where each and every parameter are checked, like whether design, battery, connectivity, integrity, everything has to be checked out. Whereas in refurbished products, the site itself checks that product, verifies that product, and launches on their own site. This is what the major difference in the testing place lies. Now, when we talk about the test has been done, the marketplace is being used, it is sold off to the user. What are these tests involving? What kind of parameters are involved? What kind of things have been involved in this test parameters? The place is different, so what kind of tests are there? These tests are nothing else but they are the same tests which are used in the brand new products. Yes, the products which are used or the parameters which have been used in brand new are the parameters used out in the, we can say, refurbished. These parameters include the external and internal parameters. The external parameters includes nothing else but the parameters like display, design, scratches, buttons intactness, jack points out there, touchpad if it has, touch screen if it has, integrated camera, so camera quality out there. Everything has to be checked, like externally, which you can see or check through your eyes, which does not require any kind of external equipment, you can say, or any external device, or any kind of software is not required. So external parameters are those. And after you check the external parameters, it comes to the internal parameters. These internal parameters are nothing else, but these internal parameters includes all the internal components like the CPU, processor, chip system out there, memory storage, yes, the internal storage, RAM storage, cache storage out there, speed of RAM, spindle speed out there, processing speed out there, graphical paths, graphical speed, as well as the connectivity out there, the resolution out there, or even the if it has anti-glance, then that has to be checked. If it had HD display, then that has to be checked. Resolutions in every aspect it has to check. If it is offering you data connectivity, then what kind of connectivity is there? Bluetooth connectivity, then what kind of Bluetooth connectivity? Power backup out there, battery life has to be checked. So everything has to be checked, which needs uh, any specialized software or equipments to verify that particular segment or that particular element out there. So that has to be used. Now, once that product is verified, external and internal parameters have been checked, it is certified as a refurbished product because now it is in good quality. It offers you good service. It can be offered to be reused. Yes, this offers a good service, so it can be reused. But what would happen if it fails in any one test or there is any damage in it? It has to be replaced. Yes, that has to be replaced. Now, once it is replaced, it is not with any unknown part or from any fake parts out there. It has to be replaced with the original parts from the company itself, along with the accessories it provides. Yes, every gadget is provided with the accessories out there. Along with that, if you see any visible damage out there, that has to be rechecked and has to be verified and has to be corrected. If you see there is any scratch out there, that has to be checked and verified and has to be repolished. So every single point has to be checked so that it becomes absolutely brand new like. So this is the major thing which involves in this, that it has to be verified and modified into a brand new product if there is any damage out there. Now, there has been some advantages. There must be some advantages that we are using refurbished products over brand new. The major advantages of having a refurbished product or the benefits are that it offers you pocket-friendly rates. It offers you pocket friendly rates. What does this mean? It means that brand new products are slightly expensive. Yes, you get to see that there are slightly high pricing for brand new products, whereas the refurbished products are actually quite pocketable, or we can say they are less expensive as compared to brand new. This comes to the second point, which allows us to save a great savings. Yes, you can save a great savings when you have a refurbished product. What happens is, when you have a refurbished product, then you can save a good amount of savings, because there is a difference in the pricing. There is a difference in the price difference. Helps us to know that what kind of things you can use. If you can have that gadget in a refurbished condition, in a less price, in a pocket friendly price, then you can definitely have that brand new product in a refurbished form, or you can say in a refurbished format. But yes, the brand new products offers you 1 year warranty. There is a 1 year warranty out here along with exchange policy. But in pre-owned phones, in pre-owned gadgets, what happens? We do not get to have a warranty period along with it. Yes, mostly what happens when we buy any pre-owned gadgets from some sites, we do not get to have a warranty period. But yes, if you have a condition in it, yes, if you have a condition named or written as refurbished, certified refurbished, any of them, then you get to have 6 months warranty period along with 7 exchange policy. So you get to have these two additional benefits of having a refurbished product. If you're worried that pre-owned phones might not be good, but here you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7 exchange policy with it. Apart from that, if you talk about this refurbished products, then they are absolutely brand new, like absolutely same structure, functionally, and they provide you the same tests out there. Now let us go back to the site and check about the website once again. And we were talking at this site that is just at click.com. Just at click.com, the name itself suggests just at a click. Yes, you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets now. This site offers you your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. Very pocket friendly rates, very great rating out there. Apart from that, you get to see a number of gadgets from your reputed and favorite brands actually. Apart from that, here it is actually a very hassle free shopping, you can say. Hassle free, like there is no rush out there because it's an online shopping site, so you can definitely have this online shopping site. COD is available on this site along with overall UAE parts. Yes, overall UAE parts की बात करें, overall UAE की बात करें या कहीं की भी बात करें, COD is available out here. Along with that, you get to have free shipping out there. Free shipping, that is free home delivery out here. This free shipping means that it takes approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi might take up to a week. It might vary according to another factor which I'm going to discuss. That is customizability option. This site offers you customizability option which helps us to customize our gadget. Uh, Customizability mainly includes the RAM, hard disk storage customizability, or the inbuilt internal parts if it can, like processing, it can customize, which are already customized by the company itself. So you can customize your gadget accordingly. Apart from that, money back guarantee and online support system for 27 hours is there. So you can definitely check out the website. Link is given in the description box, or you can check out Google and type just at click.com. Apart from that, this site offers you best pricing for your gadgets. So do visit out the website for your favorite gadgets. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and till then, bye.